Hi, in this video I'll show you how to draw Hollibaugh.
You can do it, just take it slow. Every line a masterpiece, let it show.
If you're brand new to Zentangle, this is the pattern to start with. In this video, I'll show you how to draw Hollibaugh, a simple yet striking tangle that forms the foundation of so many tangle designs. Whether you're a beginner or looking for a relaxing go-to pattern, Hollibaugh is a must-know. Hollibaugh was created by Molly Hollibaugh, a certified Zentangle teacher and also the daughter of Maria Thomas, a co-founder of the Zentangle method. Hollibaugh is one of the most iconic and versatile patterns in the Zentangle method. It's all about drawing simple, overlapping lines that create a woven, layered effect, like sticks stacked on top of each other. The magic comes from the principle of drawing behind, which gives your art instant depth and dimension. It's super beginner friendly and can be customized in endless ways. Think ribbons, beams, pipes, whatever your imagination dreams up. This simple yet powerful design has become a favorite starting point for tanglers worldwide. You can explore more about the Zentangle method and their work at zentangle.com. I highly recommend courses with CZTs, Certified Zentangle Teachers, and visiting the official website. In this example, I drew a variety of lines. Some are straight, some are curved, some are thick, and some are thin. You can either draw your Hollibaugh lines all uniform, or you can mix it up like I did in this example. After drawing in the lines, we now fill in all the spaces in between. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos as it lets YouTube know that my content is worth sharing to new audiences. Now let's add some shading. I add shading to where the ribbons overlap. So I shade the bottom ribbon so that it emphasizes that it is tucked underneath that top ribbon.
Gentle strokes, the journey starts. A canvas blooms from simple arts. In tranquil lines, your Zen unfolds.